And welcome to this next session. In this session, I'm going to share my first ever deal after having so many negative feedbacks, after having so many headbangs, after having so many difficulties. Basically, it took me 6 to 8 months to get this deal. And when I got the deal, all we needed to do was to refurnish and let the property out. The property was an old 6 bedroom, 2 reception Victorian house, very close to city centre and Cardiff Central Station. The property was fully licensed, so we don't need to apply for HMO licensing, and it was in a okay-ish condition. To cut long story short, I take it on from a landlord who was struggling to let the bedrooms out due to his being so busy and he's got so many stuff going on, and quite honestly he did not have a clue how to rent this property out, because the rooms were just too big. He was just confused. So I took the property off him and I said to him I will manage the property and I will provide him with a guaranteed rent. As you would imagine, the property was a massive property. The bedrooms were huge. They were absolutely massive. You could easily create a studio flat in these bedrooms. That's how massive these bedrooms were. So apart from one which was used as an office, it wasn't really. It was a property that it was a bedroom that has not been used. So altogether was 7 bedrooms and 2 reception rooms. So I am now going to share the calculations, how much profit I was making in that property. I look forward to sharing those calculations with you. Hello and welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to explain the figures and the profit I made in my first deal. So as I already told you, it was a 6 bedroom house, 2 reception rooms, and an office. I knew straight away I was able to convert the 2 reception rooms into 2 bedrooms because the kitchen was massive. The kitchen was a kitchen diner. And also I know the office could be converted into a single bedroom. So what I did was to contact the council and ask them permission to rent the 2 reception rooms as bedroom and also the office as a single bedroom. So the council was able to accept it because all three of the rooms are more than the minimum required space for you to be able to rent it as a room. So the startup cost on this deal was £3,000, which was what we paid to refurnish the house and do some of the painting and decorating. We were lucky enough we did not have to pay for licensing, and the property was fully licensed for 5 years. And we also had to pay 1 month rent, which was £1,050, and deposit £1,050, which gives us the £2,100. So if you add 3,000, which are our refurnishing cost, and the rent and deposit, that gives us £5,100 startup cost. Again, this money, I didn't have any money then. Obviously, I partner with my then existing landlord to get this deal because I was able to convince him and said, listen, there is this strategy going and etc. And if I can get you a deal, would you be able to fund it? He said, Rahim, I don't believe anybody would give you a property to manage. But however, if you can get a property, I'm happy to fund it. So obviously I go on looking for these deals. It took me a long, long time to get the deal. But when I got the deal, I went back to my landlord because I used to live with my landlord, and then I told him about the deal and he couldn't believe it. But he said if it was a genuine deal, he's happy to fund it. So obviously he funded 5,100. And because I had little experience in properties then, I did not know what this was. So after I've done the courses, I realized he was my first ever JV partner in my property business. So I was so excited when I learned that. So let me talk you through about the calculations and how much we made in this deal. I cannot wait to share it. Well, okay, so this is the calculations. I'm going to talk you through how we've calculated it. So we were able to convert the 6 bedroom house into 9 lettable bedroom house because we rang the council, as I said, to confirm whether they're happy for us to rent the 2 reception rooms and use the kitchen diner as a common area, and also we also asked permission to let the office as a single bedroom, so they were able to give us go ahead to do so. And again, average monthly rental income for the 9 bedrooms were £412 a month. So if we times £412 a month by the 9 lettable bedrooms, we were able to generate £3,708. This is the total income we generated from renting all the bedrooms in that property. So it's a 9 bedroom. The 6 bedrooms, which is what the property is, and the 2 reception rooms, that gives us 8 bedrooms, plus the 1 single room that gives us the 9 bedrooms. That's how we were able to get 9 bedrooms in this property. So again, we were paying the landlord £1,050, which was his rent, and electricity and gas. Because it was a massive property, it's a very old Victorian building. We were paying about £90 a month, and gas we paid £90 a month. Water was £70 a month. Council tax was £160 per month. Wi-Fi was £35 a month, because I had to get the fastest Wi-Fi ever, because it's a massive property, so we wanted Wi-Fi to be able to reach all our clients. Cleaning cost, again, is a big house, so we were spending about £100 a month. And maintenance was £150 we put aside, and TV license was £13. So our outgoing was £1,759. This includes the rent and all the expenses that we incur to keep the property. So taking our expenses from our gross rental income, we were making £1,945 a month in this house. Unbelievable. When I saw the figures, I thought it was a mistake. I had to go over and over with these figures just to make sure I wasn't wrong. So again, it surpasses my actual affordable allowable profit by 1,409. As you can see, this deal was so lucrative. I was super excited, and I was thinking, what? This is unbelievable. How can I make 1,950 in a property that I don't even own, right? So as you can see, guys, in this example, we were making £1,950 to be precise, and that is £217 net profit per bedroom. And also, as I had a partner in this house, my share of profit was £975 per month. Not bad, huh? For an inexperienced investor. I realized all I needed to do is to rinse and repeat the process. So I rinse and repeat and rinse and repeat, and then I was able to get so many properties. Look, how many of these you really need to be financially free, guys? How many of these properties do you literally want to be financially free? I don't know what your financial position is, but I assure you, if you put on the hard work, you can get it done, and you can acquire these properties easily. And again, this is my first deal. I am so excited. I'm able to share this with you. Thank you very much for listening. I look forward to sharing the next videos.